A few days ago, I calculated how much total time I spent flicking the light switch on and off in my studio, and I was quite surprised by the results. Turns out that if it takes me about 0.5 seconds to turn it on or off, and let's say I do it about 8 times a day, and I've been doing it consistently every single day, 8 times a day for 5 years, which is how much I have lived in this house, then I have spent about 2 hours flicking the light switch on and off. This is a lot of time. I will be using Arduino and some other electronics, making a thing that turns the light switch on and off with a servo motor whenever I walk in and turns it off whenever I walk out. I will be using a small motion detecting sensor to do this. Before we start testing it, I would like to ask you to please subscribe and like the video. It really helps me make more videos. Finally, after 3 hours of working on this thing, it's finally done. It's pretty simple how it works. There is a motion detecting sensor right here, and when I walk into the room, it should detect me and send the signal to the board, which then moves the servo, turning on the light switch. After I plug it in to the battery so that it has power, it'll take about a minute for the sensor to initialize or do something. I really don't know why. And then after that, it should work. We'll have to see. It is going to falsely turn on and off while it's initializing, so it might just switch on back and forth like it is doing right now. Congratulations if you have made it to the end of this video, and I hope you have enjoyed it. I hope you're looking forward to the next video.